If your OpenShell start menu looks messy, ignores your changes, or just does not behave the way it used to, resetting the settings can give you a clean starting point. In this guide, I'll show you how to back up your setup, reset OpenShell safely, and rebuild your preferred menu. First, open OpenShell menu settings. Right-click the OpenShell Start button and select Settings. If you cannot find that option, use Windows Search, type OpenShell menu settings, and open the matching result. Before resetting anything, make a backup. In the Settings window, find the Backup option. Choose Export, then save the settings file somewhere easy to find, like Documents or your desktop. This gives you a way back if you decide you want your old layout later. Now look for the option to reset settings to default. Depending on your OpenShell version, it may appear inside the backup menu or near the bottom of the settings window. Choose Reset, then confirm the message if Windows asks. This resets your OpenShell preferences, but it does not uninstall the app. After the reset, click OK or Apply to save the new settings. Your Start menu may refresh right away. If it does not, close and reopen the Start menu. You should now see the default OpenShell layout, with the standard style and menu items restored. If the old layout is still showing, restart OpenShell. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find OpenShell menu or Classic Start menu, select it, and choose End Task. Then search for OpenShell menu settings and open it again. That should reload the reset configuration. Once the reset is complete, choose a new Start menu style from the main tab. You can pick Classic Style, 2 columns, or Windows 7 style. Then open the Skin tab if you want to change the look. Start with the basics first, and add only the shortcuts and options you actually use. If you change your mind, you can restore your old setup anytime. Go back to the backup option, choose Import, select the file you saved earlier, and apply the changes. So yeah, resetting is reversible as long as you keep that backup file. And that is how to reset OpenShell settings. A quick backup, a reset, and a few fresh choices can solve many menu problems and give you a cleaner start experience.